Got to sand back all the old cruddy.
How old the fishing rod? 80?
Oh, it'll be at least 80.
79?
Depends on how long you had it.
Look at the handle, it's too dark already.
That's how it is.
Yeah.
Just the insulation.
So this is the part 2 of the fishing rod. Neville Granddad fishing rod. And just think about that, how old he is now. And then
He died 40 years ago.
He died 40 years ago.
And
Oh.
I still have this. And he did all this, made it himself.
No?
This is like a
Yeah.
tape.
Yep. How long is that? It's too long. I thought you bring that in uptown.
I did.
You did?
I took it there and then I
You try?
looked at it and I thought it needed clean. Not fair that it looked a bit dusty.
And you bring it back?
Yeah.
Wow.
The I was going to take the varnish and I thought easier to bring it back,
Yeah.
fix it
Mm.
or renew it because it was looking a bit sad.
Mm.
So I just cleaned it up. In fact, you probably don't really need to varnish it. I think it'll look better with a bit of a varnish.
It's good to have a varnish to make it look new.
I'm sure Grandpa had it varnished. Because we called him Grandpa, not Granddad.
Ah, Grandpa. Okay. So that's the varnish now.
So I'm not using a brush, I'm just going to
Do it like that.
put it on with that. So I'll get it back here first.
Mm. Wow, look at that. It can look
This will
good.
just preserve it for another 100 years.
Preserve. So who's the one to keep, who is your child or who's among them to keep it?
Maybe whoever, or me, but then maybe whoever shows interest.
Mm. That's really good, The
Is alright without the varnish.
mm-hmm.
It's cane, but I think it looks better varnished. Still authentic. Because it looked a bit dirty and powdery, and
Yeah, because that's a long time
this is
ago.
how I remember it varnished anyway.
How did that one goes with you?
Huh?
Is your grandpa give it to you or
To me.
really?
He wanted to give me all his fishing rods, but when he died,
Yeah.
my dad and uncles he had a few fishing rods left,
Yeah.
and fair enough, they all wanted part of Grandpa, so
Yeah.
they shared them. They said, pick one each.
Mm.
They drew straws.
Mm. So do you think they still keep it or no?
Yeah, somewhere.
You can really say it's really old because of the
Well, they don't make cane rods anymore.
that's made of bamboo.